We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D. Her family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making southern fried green tomatoes, y'all. Yes, and I'm gonna show y'all just how to make them. Here I'm showing you our green tomato. I'm only going to slice up one just to show you how it's done. You can slice this up as thin or thick as you want it, but this is the way I prefer mine. So make this recipe yours. There is nothing like fried green tomatoes. I remember when I first tried them, I didn't think I would like them, but y'all, I love them. I usually go to a local farmer's market to purchase some, but I was able to find them at our local supermarket. Okay, it's all sliced up. Now it's time to go to our next step. Next, we're going to place them in this plastic container to add our buttermilk and seasonings. Here, I'm showing you our simple ingredients. I have here some buttermilk, seasoning salt, black pepper, and a little garlic powder, and a little onion powder. Now we're mixing our seasonings together. Before adding my buttermilk, I decided to go ahead and add my oil to our skillet. And I'm setting our skillet on a medium-high heat. Next, we're adding a little of our seasonings into our regular yellow cornmeal. I'm using maybe half of our seasoning. Now it's time to season up our tomatoes. Letting y'all know that you do not have to use buttermilk. You can just use the regular seasoning that I showed you and omit the buttermilk. But make this recipe yours. Because sometimes I use buttermilk and then sometimes I don't. Here we're pouring on the buttermilk. I'm using maybe a half a cup. We're using our tongues to mix these ingredients up well into our tomatoes because we want our tomatoes to be seasoned, okay? Because we want them to taste good. So make sure you mix the buttermilk and the seasonings up well. Here I'm adding more seasonings into our tomatoes. And we added just enough seasonings because these turned out really, really good. It may seem like it's a lot of seasoning, but it wasn't. And it wasn't salty or anything. So make sure you season up these well, okay? What I like about using the buttermilk, it helps the seasoning to stick to the sliced tomatoes, and plus it does give it a really good flavor. Like I always say, make this recipe yours. Now we're coating up our tomatoes into our cornmeal mixture. And placing them into a hot oil. Be very careful with this step. If you're not familiar with doing this, use your tongues, okay? So make sure you place them in there and not get burnt, y'all. Because Miss Brenda D wouldn't like that. I can't wait to taste these, y'all. I've been wanting these for a long time now. And I found some and I'm ready. They are so good. And when you're frying these up, make sure you fry them to your likings, not mine. If you like yours fried hard, you do that, okay? Because me, I don't want mine fried hard. Mine is almost there, but not hard. So make these to your liking. Well, I say this, fry them to your likings. I let mine fry for maybe 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I kept flipping them over until they got to the crispiness that I prefer. How I know when they're ready, I would lift them up and, to look under there to see if they're the color that I'm looking for. I prefer mine to be golden brown, and I'm going to show you the color that I like mine to be. Time to time, go and check them to make sure that they're not cooking too fast or too slow. Now is the time to start flipping them over. So if you want yours fried hard, just keep flipping them over after, a couple of minutes to get them to the doneness and the crispiness that you prefer. I'm not going to be saying anything. I'm just going to continue to flip these over just to show y'all how I fry mine. Okay, this is the way I prefer mine. So I'm going to remove them and drain them on a wire rack, okay? These fried green tomatoes make a great side dish. Could you tell me what would you serve your fried green tomatoes with? Please let me know in the comments below. I decided to fry me some brims with mine, some brim fish, and y'all, that was a great meal for me. If you don't want the brim fish, you can choose whatever you decide to go along with these fried green tomatoes. Whenever I decide to fry up me some brims, y'all, this brings back memories from when I was a little girl. I remember when we would go fishing, or when some of my brothers would go fishing, they would bring these back home and they would clean them and cook them. Y'all, they were so delicious. Do anybody remember brims, or some people call them bluegill, or whatever type of fish they are? Can you please comment below? The only thing about these brims, they have lots of bones, and so you have to be very careful. If you're not familiar with them, don't eat these, y'all. Just get you some. Sometimes people will fillet them, and so that's the best deal for these, is to fillet them. These are smaller ones, but they have some big brims, and they can be filleted. But if you don't like the brims or never tried them, don't worry about it. You can always choose something else. Okay, y'all. Okay, my fish is ready. And so I'm removing them from the pan. I hope y'all enjoy cooking with me as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoyed these fried green tomatoes as much as I did. Y'all, they were so good. The dipping sauce I used for my fried green tomatoes was ranch. What is your favorite dipping sauce for fried green tomatoes? Please let me know. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all, stay safe, and be blessed. My word for today, stay encouraged. Look to the Lord for your help. There is so much going on that sometimes it just throws us, for a curve. But it's okay. God still has us. I have had many losses in our family, and that's why I hadn't been posting videos. To all our viewers and subscribers, we must look to the hills from whence cometh our help. Our help cometh from the Lord. And that is my word for today. I love y'all. Y'all stay strong and be encouraged. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I'm going to post them as much as I can. Okay? Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit!